Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a swizzle pretzel. Be really helpful if you already know how to do a swizzle and a pretzel. In case you want to go back and look at the videos for those, I'll put them in the link. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Breaking it down, it starts like a standard swizzle. So we're going to go back. You could get in lots of different ways, but we're just going to do the prep, turn, standard swizzle, look. Then it's around to the other side. So swizzle the lady to the other side. Now as we're taking the lady back between the double turns, so she gets 1, you're going to drop the right, raise the left. Guys go round as if they're going into a swizzle, but stop after 3/4. And then you're actually set up immediately for your pretzel. So we can go left over the lady, right over the lady, right over the guy, return the lady, and you're done. Let's do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back to 2 hands, 1, preparation 2, turning 3, swizzle position and look 4, returning 5 and 6, swizzle position and look 7, turn 8, guys go round 1, left over the lady 2, right over the lady 3, right over the guy 4, returning 5 and back 6. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a swizzle, pretzel. It's offer, prep, turn, look, return, look, turn. Guys, left over the lady, right over the lady, right over the guy, return the lady and back. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you find it's good for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so if you like the move, do that. Subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everybody who does that. And notification bell, if you have notifications turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this to in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.